Hi there. Great beds, no bull. That is the original Mattress factory difference. Quality products plus factory direct pricing equals great value. It all starts with a box spring frame. Original Mattress Factory designs their frames with about 60% more wood. That's a lot more wood, and that is a much stronger frame. On top of the wood frame sits the box spring modules. The box spring modules work with the wood frame to act as a shock absorber for the mattress. Now, what you want from your box spring is to have plenty of support, but you also want it to have a little give. Mainstream brands use a rigid foundation called semi-flex, and we often joke that it takes a semi to flex it.
Oh yeah, it flexed all right.
The original Mattress Factory box spring takes a lot less than a semi-truck to flex it. It only takes you. Now on top of the box spring sits the mattress itself. Inside our orthopedic mattresses are super supportive springs to actively support you. The original Mattress Factory uses heavy gauge coils in their mattresses to provide nearly twice as much support as the mainstream brands. And if you could look inside of an original Mattress Factory mattress, you'd see that mattress offering end-to-end support, while mainstream brands cut their corners by eliminating the coils and replacing them with foam rails. Speaking of cutting corners, mainstream mattress brands use only foams and fibers in their upholstery layers. The original Mattress Factory uses real cotton padding. And did we stop there? Of course not! We specifically designed our orthopedic mattresses with two sides rather than one. This allows you to use both sides, extending the life of your mattress. Okay, so let's add this up. Sturdier frame, real shock-absorbing box springs, stronger, more supportive inner springs, cotton padding, true end-to-end support on a double-sided mattress. Seems like a slam dunk. Could there be anything else?
Actually, yes. Our handles are tied directly to our inner spring systems, which means whenever you pick up your mattress by the handles, they won't tear or break. Look, I know what you're thinking. How do we pack all of this value together for a price that's a lot lower than that of the competition?
It's by selling directly to you, our customer, and eliminating the middleman. This is all possible because we sell our mattresses in the same place that we make them. Don't believe me? Come visit one of our factory locations and see the difference yourself. All that's left is for you to find your perfect mattress. Happy hunting, mattress scholars. Ugh, oh, that interlaced inner spring goodness. Yeah. The original Mattress Factory. Great beds, no bull.